Looking to supercharge your workflow in VS Code? Here are the top 3 local code completion plugins powered by large language models, LLMs. These tools integrate seamlessly with industry-standard LLM APIs, allowing you to leverage the power of AI directly on your PC. No internet connection needed, ensuring complete privacy and security for your code. The best part? These plugins go even further. With the rise of local LLM interfaces, you can now host your own LLM models and create a custom API. This unlocks the ultimate freedom, using these plugins with your own unique AI assistant tailored to your specific needs. First up, we have Continue. This isn't just any plugin. It's an open-source autopilot for VS Code, making coding with LLM a breeze. Highlight code to get a fresh perspective. Use inline commands for context. Receive code completions directly in your editor, edit in natural language, and even generate files from scratch. It's all about making your coding smoother and smarter. Click on the settings icon, and in this configuration file, add this code and change the API base URL to your own hosted API base URL. Next, meet Code GPT, your new coding buddy. This plugin goes beyond the basics with features like asking about code, getting code suggestions in real time, changing code with simple instructions, and creating new files effortlessly. It even lets you upload images for code generation or clarification. To set up, click on the drop-down menu and select LM Studio, or click Custom if you want to use a custom API for that. Now, in the API key input field, type None, and in the custom link, copy and paste the API completion URL from LM Studio or another API hosted on your computer. Last but not least, Twinny shines with its unique fill-in-the-middle code completion feature, chat with AI about your code, and every feature that most other code assistant plugins have, and it becomes very easy to enjoy its seamless integration with platforms like Allama and LM Studio. It's completely free, entirely private, and offers customizable settings for a personalized coding assistant experience. Twinny makes coding more intuitive, whether you're completing single lines or entire blocks of code. To set up this, click on the setting icon, and in Setting, change the API provider to LM Studio, and change the API port to the API port of your own locally hosted API.